Is optimism about to crash? OP price plunges 10% as spotlight swivels to new challenger coin. Sam Cooling last updated February 22, 2024 9:09 EST 3 min read. Leading Ethereum scaling solution Optimism OP is stirring panic amongst holders due to a 10% price plunge over the past 24 hours. This article will provide an analysis of OP's current price trends and look to see whether a newer meme coin represents a more promising opportunity at this time. Indeed, dentiment amongst crypto traders has flipped acutely bullish in recent days as OP price analysis depicts the token is in the midst of a retest with a key layer of topside resistance. Market analysts suggest that if this level is broken, OP could undertake a major price exploration rally, especially after the success of the fourth OP airdrop, which saw Optimism distribute rewards to NFT artists prominent on the chain. OP price analysis, as Optimism rebounds from 10% retracement drop. Could OP price be on verge of huge breakout? As price action stabilizes, following the downside move, Optimism is currently trading at a market price of $3.79, representing a 24-hour change of plus 0.90%. However, despite the apparent rejection from topside resistance at $4.20, OP price action continues to show signs of strength as Optimism finds its feet at immediate lower support around $3.75, with 20 DMA support persisting at $3.55 in a continuance of rally structure. Ignited on February 5, OP's downside risk is limited to a meager 6% drop. Meanwhile, the 200 DMA remains ascendant in the trading channel, providing a further bedrock of support down at $2.10. The retracement move appears to have had a healthy impact on OP's key indicators, with the RSI cooling off to 56.95, suggesting Optimism has the capacity to push to the upside here, whilst the MACD remains at minor bullish divergence, signaling at 0.021 as upside momentum continues to battle on against the resistance level. Overall, OP price analysis paints an image of a healthy localized retracement move in the midst of a resistance test that has quickly found feet, suggesting upside price action is likely to resume on the short time frame. This leaves Optimism with an upside target at $4.29 on the short time frame, a potential plus 31%, while downside risk could see OP fall to lower support at the 20 DMA around $3.55, a possible 6.23%. OP price analysis therefore reveals a short time frame risk reward ratio of 2.14, signaling a good entry with strong upside potential. But while OP is facing upside potential on the short time frame, a small plus 31% move is unappealing to small traders trying to make it big, and for this reason the Sponge VTWO token offers an excellent investment alternative. Sponge VTWO launch $Sponge VTWO, last chance to buy, poised to outperform OP price analysis. Sponge VTWO, the latest iteration of the renowned Sponge Sponge meme coin, is making waves in the cryptocurrency market. Following the phenomenal success of Sponge Phone, which peaked at nearly $100 million in market cap and amassed over 13,000 holders, Sponge VTWO arrives with promising innovations and opportunities for investors. How to acquire Sponge VTWO, staking mechanics explained, and P2E integration. Acquiring Sponge VTWO is unique. Stake Sponge Phone, buy and stake Phone tokens via Sponge, dip or stake your existing Phone tokens. Earn more VTWO. The longer and more Phone tokens you stake, the more VTWO tokens you earn. Read more. Best crypto to invest in 2024. Sponge VTWO introduces play to earn P2E utility, enhancing its ecosystem. Stake your Phone tokens to earn VTWO, and engage in the upcoming P2E game to earn additional Sponge VTWO tokens. Moreover, this P2E game, a new utility in the Sponge ecosystem, will feature both free and paid versions for enhanced gaming and earning experiences. Unique aspects of Sponge VTWO over OP price analysis. Exclusive access. Earn $Sponge VTWO exclusively through $Sponge staking. Bonus rewards. Buying and staking $Sponge offers special $Sponge VTWO bonuses. Passive earnings. Stake $Sponge tokens yield passive rewards starting at a minimum 40% APY. Permanent transition. Staking Phone tokens will result in their permanent locking, shifting the focus to VTWO post-launch. Sponge VTWO roadmap and future prospects. Sponge V2's roadmap is ambitious, targeting 10,000 holders, Tier 1 CX listings, and a $100 million market cap. The launch stages include the Sponge Games development and the Sponge VTWO claim and listing. Sponge VTWO is not just a sequel to its predecessor. It's a reinvention with a focus on utility and community engagement. The integration of P2E and exclusive staking mechanisms make it a standout project in the meme coin domain. Stay updated on Sponge V2's journey through social channels and witness its growth in the crypto world. Get Sponge VTWO here. Follow us on Google News. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.